friend, it is Kate here. Thank you so much for joining me for a class today. Now I have got a lovely 10-minute Pilates class that is really all about our hips, our glutes, our legs. This is a fast little class that will definitely make us feel a little bit stronger all in the lower body. Roll out your mat, let's get started. Remember, if you can't join me for class right now, that's totally fine. Just add it to your to watch later list and you can join me at any time. Let's just start in a nice easy seat. Belly button to spine, head lifts high, broaden across the chest. Take a big inhale, big breath out. Another big inhale, reach your hands high over your head, wrap your pinkies towards one another, lift up and out of your waist, and then hands behind the head, elbows open wide. Take a nice big breath, a little twist to the right. Inhale, look forward, little twist left. Look forward, take a bow of your chin to your chest, pull your elbows in. No need to pull on the head, but you can use the weight of your hands to gently dip the chin a little closer to the chest. And then from here, release your hands from your head, take a big inhale, and slowly find a seated forward fold, just as deep or shallow as you like. You might stay up here, you might let your hands come down to the ground and really drop into a forward fold, whatever feels best for you. Think about pulling your pubic bone up towards your belly button, cinching your waist, tucking the chin to the chest, softening the shoulders down the back. Roll yourself right back up to a nice tall seat. Both hands lift high again. Big deep inhale. Exhale, twist to the right. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, twist to the left. Look forward, flip the palms, push them all the way down to the ground, and let's lie on our side. We're going to come to our right side at first. I'm going to let my head really recline into my hands. You can rest however you want to, but for now, let's make sure our shoulders, hips, and heels are all in one line. Like I say, if you've taken classes with me before, we want to think about having a belt on around the small of our waist, the center of our belly, and it's not that we're sucking in, but instead it's that belt getting tighter from all directions. And when I do side lying work, I envision that someone kind of looped their finger underneath that imaginary belt and pulled up, so my side tummy is lifting up and away from the floor. Your side tummy might not actually lift from the floor. It's okay if it doesn't, but we want that feeling of wrapping our oblique muscle in towards the middle of our body, helping to keep us lifted. Now take your hand to your hip. It can be in front of you, or we can reach it up to the sky. Pull the navel in a little bit more. Take a great big breath. And as you exhale, I want you to lift up your right knee, externally rotating the leg. Think about the back of your thigh reaching towards the wall behind you. Take a big deep inhale. Exhale, pick up your knee. Inhale, touch your toes back together. As you lift and lower the knee, notice if you're allowing your side tummy to kind of fall into the floor, to sink down. Instead, resist that feeling, lifting the side tummy up, dropping the toe down. Exhale, lift it up. Inhale, drop it down. 3 more, exhale up, inhale down. 2 more, exhale up, inhale down. Last one, lift, pause, navel to spine, reach your fingertips higher over your head, and then send your hand out and away. Did you just flare at the ribs? Can you wrap them towards one another? Can you kiss the tips of your shoulder blades together? Flex your foot and drive your heel away from your body. Cinch the waist more. Make sure you're still stacking the hips. Take a big inhale. Now exhale, pull elbow and knee together. Inhale, push them out and away. Exhale, pull elbow and knee together. Inhale, push them out and away. 3 more, exhale, bring it in, reach it out. 2 more, exhale, bring it in, reach it out. Last one, pull it in, push out and away. Keep your foot in place, reach your hand back up to the sky or take it down to the ground if you want a little kickstand. My foot is externally rotated. I am rotating out from my thigh. Take a big inhale, bring it back to parallel, and then find that external rotation again. Bring it back to parallel, take it back to that external rotation. As you do that, see if you can keep the rest of your body still but engaged. So I am turning on my tummy muscles, I am kissing the tips of my shoulder blades together, and I'm really thinking about turning on all the muscles in my lifted left leg. Now from here, bring it back to parallel, pause, actively flex the foot, squeeze your thigh butt connection point in the left leg, and envision I am pulling your ankle away from your body. Take a big deep breath. Without losing using your parallel line, exhale, pick up the leg and drop it down. Now we're only going to lift our leg up so high that our side tummy does not fall into the mat. So if I'm not really paying attention, I might just drop the tummy down and kind of lift my leg higher. Instead, I'm thinking about pulling my oblique in and just lifting my leg up as high as I can. 2 more, exhale up, inhale down. This time lift, pause, hold it in place. Point your toe, reach your foot further away, cinch the waist a little bit more. Take your hand to your hip so we know what's happening there. Tiny circles. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, pause. Reverse your circle. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, pause. Again, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, pause. Last time, reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, pause. Take a great big breath. Flex your foot, drop it down, reach the heel further away, pull your navel up and in. Take a big deep inhale. Exhale, pull the knee in front of your hip. Inhale, push it out and away. Exhale, cinch the waist, pull the knee up. Inhale, push it away. Now, as you bend and straighten the leg, notice if you're letting that side tummy fall down. Again, keep pulling it up and away from the mat. 2 more, exhale, pull it in. Reach it out. Last one, pull it in. Reach it out, pause, hold right there for a moment. Think about reaching the heel further away. Take a big deep breath and then relax. Give yourself a little pat. Swim to your second side. So we will roll all the way over and find our second side. Same as we did on the first side. Relax your head however you can. Stack the hips. You might even lean up against a wall so you really feel the support and we don't let that tush kind of hang out behind us. Wrap the tummy in. Pull the navel to spine. Relax across your chest. Choose where you want your hand to be. Big inhale. Exhale, open and pause. Almost push down into the floor with the side of your left leg, the leg that's touching the floor. I'm stabilizing all through that side. Take a big inhale. Exhale, pick up the knee, touch the toe down. Exhale, pick up the knee, touch the toes down. Notice if there's tension through your face, through your jaw. Can you relax that tension? Maybe smile, maybe make a silly face. It's okay. And then send that tension, that muscle activation down into your core, down into the center of your body. Beautiful. This time, lift it up, pause, hold it there. Take your hand high over your head, shoulder down your back. Don't let it rise up to your ear. Flex the foot and push it away. Now, before we go anywhere, grow long from your right heel through your side body, out your extended fingertips. Take a big, deep breath. Exhale, pull elbow and knee together. Inhale, reach it away. Exhale, cinch the waist, pull it together. Inhale, reach it away. 3 more, exhale in. And return. 2 more back. Pull it out. Last one. Reach hand and foot away, hold. Take your hand back up to the sky, or you can take it down in front of you or to your hip, whatever you need to. And then we'll do that little rotation. So bring your leg back to parallel and then externally rotate it. Back to parallel and externally rotate it. When we're doing these small little rotations, the movement happens way up high in our ball and socket joint. My knee, my ankle, my toes, they move in space, but they're not actually physically moving. I am really working all of the muscles around my booty in my hip. Now turn it back to parallel or to external. Turn it to parallel and pause. Take a big deep breath. Exhale, pick up the side of your foot and then drop it down. Now, just like we did on the other side, we're only lifting the foot up so high that the side tummy doesn't fall into the mat. I am still, as much as I can, stacking my shoulders, stacking my hips, and trying to keep my toes pointing forward, my heel pointing back the entire time. This time, lift, hold, point the toe, hand to hip. Squeeze your thigh butt connection point, reach the toe further away, knit the ribs together a little bit more, tiny circles. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause. Reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause. Again, turn on all the muscles in the leg. Keep your hips as still as possible. Pause. Last time, reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. Take a big breath. flex the foot. Hand can stay on your hip. You could take it up to the sky and then pull the knee forward. Push it away from your body. Exhale, pull the navel in. Push it out and away. 3 more. Exhale, pull it in. Push it out and away. 2 more. Drag it in. Push it out and away. Last one in. Push it away. Hold. Take a great big breath. And then relax. Little pat on the tush. Roll to your tummy. Take a moment here. Hands can be out in front of you. You can rest your forehead. I'm going to keep my head lifted just so I can chat with you. Bend your knees and take a little windshield wiper, side to side. And then just press down into the tops of your feet. Press down into your pubic bone. Pull your low belly up and in. Move your hands so they're at the side of your ribs. Elbows pull towards one another. Take a nice inhale. Lift up into a teeny tiny cobra. Exhale, roll down. Inhale, teeny tiny cobra. Exhale, roll down. Last one, little cobra. Take a breath. Soften all the way down to the ground. Push back to a child's pose. Roll yourself up to a nice tall seat. And as always, give yourself a pat on the back. Thank yourself for doing something so good and just for you. I hope you enjoyed class. I cannot wait to see you again. Thanks again for joining me for class today. Remember, you can find so many other fabulous videos by just downloading our Yoga Plus app.
Welcome to Yoga Plus. Courses available from pupil to yogi. Sort by yoga, fitness, and instructors. Create your own routines. Access the pose library. Yoga Plus by Psyche Truth. Available on Google Play and the App Store.
Join us for 14 and 30-day programs, hour-long classes, and much more on our yoga app, Yoga Plus by Psyche Truth. It's free to download and features a variety of wellness content, including yoga, fitness, Pilates, guided meditations, and interviews with dozens of wellness experts.